Okay, I just want to take a little video. Just received this truck, and today I think I hear a rod knock. I have 73.9 miles on it. Now let me see what you guys think. And it's not cam phasers. It's definitely like a more solid piston slap. We'll rev it up a little. So when I use this, I could definitely pinpoint it to the engine block, not the phasers.